STEAM is an educational movement that combines science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. On this iSTEAM channel, we will introduce STEAM fields as access points for experiential learning, inquiry, and critical thinking. Hello, my name is Dr. Rodriguez. I'm a science professor. On the iSTEAM channel, we will discuss different topics of general interest about these fields and how they are interrelated. In today's episode, we will discuss the human heart. Do you know that the human heart is one of the few organs that we can transplant from one person to another? The heart is made out of 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called the left and right atrium, and 2 lower chambers called the left and right ventricles. It's also made out of 4 valves, the tricuspid, the pulmonary, the mitral, and the aortic. The heart is about the size of a fist and is located just behind and slightly left of the breastbone. The heart acts as a pump and circulates blood throughout the network of arteries and veins of the cardiovascular system. The heart is composed of cardiac muscle and has its own pacemaker, independent of the brain. As long as the heart remains oxygenated, it continues to beat. However, the heart can only survive outside the body for about 4 to 6 hours. In fact, the heart could actually be removed from the body, placed on a saline solution, given oxygen, and still be able to beat. That's why, even if a person is brain dead, the heart continues to beat until there is no more oxygen available. Due to certain heart conditions like congestive heart failure, an individual may require a heart transplant. The world's first heart transplant was performed on December 3, 1967, led by heart surgeon Christian Barnard in Cape Town, South Africa. However, since heart donations are hard to come by, scientists, engineers, and mathematicians research and discover ways to use technology to create artificial hearts. In 1982, the first successful artificial heart was implanted in a human. The Jarvik 7 was designed by a team including William Kolff and Robert Jarvik. Today's artificial hearts are meant to be a temporary fix while patients wait for a heart transplant. However, research continues to improve in this field with the help of engineers and technology. Scientists are currently using specialized 3D printers to create artificial heart valves to replace human defective valves. Israeli scientists in Tel Aviv were able to print a 3D artificial heart using cardiac tissue from a patient. This technology is currently in development and will take several years until it becomes refined and available for human transplant. In the meanwhile, mathematicians, engineers, and technologists are working together to make hearts available for patients who need them. Stick around until the end of the presentation when the iSTEAM channel will explore other fields related to STEM and how you can contribute to the well-being of others. We can see that all the scientists have employed art in their craft, as art is the expression or application of human creative skills and imagination. Additionally, artists are needed for the rendering of images, drawings, and diagrams of the heart, used in this presentation throughout the development of the STEAM field. Have you ever wondered what jobs are available in these fields and how you can contribute to the well-being of others? Stick around as we discuss different STEAM fields associated with the heart and how you can make a difference in the STEAM field. If you are in the STEAM field or interested in learning about STEAM fields, write your field of interest in the comments section below. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions about the iSTEAM channel, please leave them on the comment area. Of course, one obvious way that you can help is to become a doctor. A cardiologist specializes in diagnosing and treating disease of the cardiovascular system. A heart surgeon generally performs surgeries of the heart and chest. If you don't want to wait 12 years to become a medical doctor, you can still help in health-related fields. Fields such as nursing, technology, and others, all of which are necessary for doctors to be successful at diagnosing, treating, and performing surgeries. Chemists study the physiology of the body and develop medications and drugs that are used to treat and regulate functions of the heart and the circulatory system. You could become a biomedical engineer. Do you ever wonder how they develop prostheses, artificial hips, and knees? Well, biomedical engineers work with medical doctors, develop and test devices used in the human body. To develop and properly implement those devices, mathematicians and physicists study the mechanics of the human body. These mechanics includes the volume of the heart, the blood pressure, the electrocardiogram, and the electromagnetic spectrum, among others. For example, the study of the electromagnetic spectrum technology has allowed us to develop devices such as X-ray machines, lasers, ultrasounds, as well as other devices used in the medical fields. I hope this presentation was insightful. Please subscribe and give us a thumb up if you enjoyed learning about the STEAM fields. Please also share this channel with someone you think can benefit from or will enjoy this presentation and the iSTEAM channel. Hope to see you soon.